Jeez, tigers, quit trying to climb around. You're so clumsy. Okay. Hey dolls, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Today, I am doing my third acrylic set. Stop, Tiger, leave me alone. She's slapping me now. Don't. So today I'm doing my third acrylic set on my niece. It took me 3 hours and I thank God. Tigers, I'm trying to do an intro. Get out of here. Get. Anyways. You know, it was always my kids bugging me while I film, and now it's my kitty. Like I was saying, I'm doing my third full acrylic set on my niece. It took me 3 hours. She was such a trooper, and I really appreciate her for letting me practice on her. As well as one night I just went to the store. I seen 2 times spicy noodles and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get this and try this. This always looks so good. You guys see mukbangs on YouTube of people eating these spicy noodles and they actually finish the whole bowl and like make it look so good, so scrumptious, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to try those. And well, keep watching to see just see how it went. Just watch. Okay guys, today I'm doing my niece's nails, so I'm just going to push back her cuticles. We're doing a full set of acrylic. So a little update, this is my second set on myself. Now I'm going to drill the shine and polish that she has on off.
Be careful.
Okay, leave them, let them dry. So now we're gonna cut them down to. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna cut this one a little bit shorter. Okay, to round shape. And I use Beauty Secrets. You're a baby girl, I'm gonna use the odorless stuff.
A football field was being cleaned for the new season, and the school floors were being buffed to a shine. School starts tomorrow. What if you came with me? Why would I do that? To get your diploma? Don't you want it? Oh, yeah. Okay, then this is your chance.
Yeah, a hybrid.
Isn't your younger brother going to be a freshman? I don't know, Brett. After everything I've lived through, ass off in this school, like you stand here and yell, we all have to listen to her.
How long will this take?
I don't know, baby girl. Okay, so now, we're done now, so all I'm doing is buffing the nails, and then she's gonna go wash her hands, and we're gonna do the color.
It's about an actor named Robert
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Wasn't even recording. Okay, we got the 2-time spicy noodles here.
And here's
Oh my gosh, our cucumber. She has her milk. Okay, guys, let's do this.
It's gonna be so spicy. I let it brave.
Sorry, it's dark. Oh, be careful! Be careful, Valley.
What?
I think she burned from like the hotness, not the spiciness.
It's hot!
Okay, y'all, here I go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! He needs some milk.
I'm gonna try this. To the look of your guys' faces.
Thank the Lord I didn't swallow that.
All the colors, load out drops twice. 6 of them dropped.
Thank the Lord I didn't swallow that. My mouth is on fire, y'all. My mouth is on fire. Valley, no.
I dropped on his buddy's
No, that's it. No.
I'm ready.
Did you really try it?
Now my mouth is burning.
Well, those are good run if you fucking...
Seriously, child. Is it recording? I hope it's recording. Get your finger off the camera because this is hella funny, man. Your fucking mouth. My mouth is burning.
My mouth and fire. It's hot.
That's fucked up. Y'all are fucked. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. And I'm going to be doing a seafood boil mukbang. And I want to add a little twist to it and do some like questions or answering assumptions or like... I have this app called YOLO and it's through Snapchat and it's anonymous. People can send me messages anonymously. I do not have any idea who it is. It does not tell me. And I maybe like confessions of, I don't know, and I'll read them out while I do my seafood boil mukbang, something. And I'm ordering it from this girl in Regina. I will link her stuff down below, as well as I will link it all in my video when I post my seafood boil mukbang. I'm getting it Sunday evening and I'll be filming and doing it that evening, so stay tuned to all my socials which are linked down below. Thanks for watching, guys.